Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the problem 6 raised to the power of 2. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression using basic mathematical operations. Let's get started. Step 1. The initial step in simplifying the integer exponent problem 6 raised to the power of 2 involves understanding what the expression means. Here, the base is 6 and the exponent is 2. The exponent tells us how many times we need to multiply the base by itself. So 6 raised to the power of 2 means we multiply 6 by itself. To clarify, 6 raised to the power of 2 is the same as saying 6 times 6. At this stage, the expression 6 raised to the power of 2 is changed to 6 times 6. This is because raising a number to a power is a shorthand way of expressing repeated multiplication. Step 2. Now that we have interpreted 6 raised to the power of 2 as 6 times 6, we can proceed to perform the multiplication. When we multiply 6 by 6, we are taking the number 6 and adding it to itself 6 times. So let's do the multiplication. 6 times 6 equals 36. To simplify, the expression 6 raised to the power of 2, which we have rewritten as 6 times 6, results in the final value of 36. Thus, the simplest form of the expression 6 raised to the power of 2 is 36. This concludes the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.